Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. We just got in one of our 7x18 matte grays. These are awesome multi-use trailers, meant to be true off-road units. As you guys can see, they have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. You don't have a big giant axle tube that hangs down underneath that defeats the purpose. And we ship. If you guys aren't here, give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote. We literally ship every day. You guys can check all our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, or give us a call, 303-688-8485. Again, this one's a 7x18 in the matte gray. It's our thicker aluminum skin. It's thicker aluminum than what's on most standard trailers. It holds up really well. And you do have the blackout package with this. As you can see, everything's all blacked out. I'll back up a little bit. Front generator box and platform doesn't come with one. It's generator ready. You've got a place for that to ride and store by there. I believe it's a 32x30, so it's a big box. It's going to hold most of your generators that are 3,000 watt and lower. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler, and your twist lock plug is right there as well. Here's a good shot of this side of the trailer. And we'll come around to the other side. 3-year factory warranty with these units, so you do have some peace of mind there. Side door has been moved back, so you've got some room up front if you guys want to add cabinets or do a build out. You also have a step off that side door, again, because they sit up nice and tall. RV lock and cam bar there, exterior GFI outlet, couple party lights on the outside. You also have that nice awning door, two 5,200-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, American racing wheel, 32-inch mud terrain tire. It looks like these are a Mudclaw Extreme MT. You also have the aluminum roof rack and ladder. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so you guys can do some additional hanging out up there if you would like. You have a rear ramp door with a rear deck option and load lights off the back. You also have stabilizer jacks underneath this guy, so if you guys want to drop from your vehicle and have that extra stability, you have the option to do that. Now, I believe this unit weighs about 4,500 pounds. It's going to give you guys about a 6,000 pound payload capacity. And on the interior, step up in here, we do have insulated walls and ceiling with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner coming in. And then you guys can see you've got a battery box, battery charger. That's gonna run your exterior lighting, also runs your interior puck lights. You've got 6 of these little guys right here. That's all 12 volt. We're gonna be ran off that battery as well. And then you do have your 30 amp, which is the box on the left. That's to bring in your 110 power. That is going to run your AC unit with the heat strip. It's also going to run these nice big 4-foot LEDs across the ceiling. And then it also runs your interior outlet. Now you do have switches for everything as well. So if you guys just want your puck lights on, or you need a lot of light because you're going to work on something or hang out and camp or whatever you're doing, you've got light switches to, of course, control everything in here. Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is an amazing floor, super durable, meant to hold up. Underneath side is Maxx, which is a water resistant product that's on the underneath side of the trailer. So it's gonna hold up and last a lot longer for you guys than what a wood floor will. Get you a better shot here of your AC unit with the heat strip. Couple of windows. It's our standard 18x44 tinted lockable windows, so you have good versatility there. Plus you've got this awesome awning door. We love these things. It's great for UTVs. You can back your UTV in because you want most of your weight over your axle anyway and jump right out that door. So it's a pretty cool little feature there. Or you can use it for an awning door or concessions or whatever you're doing. Just a great multi-use. Now it does have 2 deadbolts on it too, so if you guys are gonna do a build out or whatever and you need to leave it close, you can do that as well. Bunch of outlets. We got 4 interior outlets, the 1 GFI outside. And weight of this unit, I believe, is about 4,500 pounds. Go to the website to check that guy out. We've got all of our specs on there so you guys can get some exact weights there. Interior dimensions, everybody asks. We only lose a couple of inches on your interior. So this trailer being 7/18 exterior, that's your box. It does not include the tongue. Your tongue's another 5 feet. You've got about 1710 on your interior, 610, give or take an inch or so for your interior dimensions. We only lose a little bit with insulation and framing and whatnot. You have 76.5 inches here at your rear ramp door for width and 80 inches tall. So give you guys an idea of some different dimensions as well. So here it is. If you guys need a shipping quote, again, give us a call, reach out to us. We'll tell you what it costs to get this trailer delivered right to your door. And again, go to coloradotrailersinc.com, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, or 303-688-8485. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys always have an awesome day.